So I mentioned earlier that we are making isolation tanks that weren't quite ready yet. This is one of them that we are putting together. They're 2 meters by 2 meters by 1 meter deep. The screen here is an anti-thrips screen, so it's really fine mesh. It's because some of the fry were a lot smaller than the others that we're using the shade cloth for, and they would escape. So we're going to use this for the smaller fish. I'm going to take you to the tank now. This is the first isolation net that we made. We're releasing some of the larger fish into it since they're already acclimated. They've been here since 9:49 this morning. Yeah. So, yeah. Sí, suéltanos. We have 250 per bag, so we're releasing 12 bags worth of fish, which will be 3,000. And as you can see, they're needing to be released. They're trying to breathe the air instead of water. Poor fishes. This is my wonderful wife here helping us out with the video. Say hi, Jessie.
Hola.
She also helped me put together this isolation net. Very handy woman. And lovely. What? Okay, let's watch her release the fish here. And normally I would try to save the rubber bands, but it looked like they just took a strip of rubber and tied it together. So. There we go. Now today I have to put together an Excel that is basic maintenance for these fish. It'll have feeding times, amount of feeding, how many have died that day, and so on. It's a register I have to keep in order to get permits for the government to be able to export. Minute, acá, baby. That's tres?
Sí, van tres.
Should I video all 12 of them? ¿Haga video por todos los 12?
Sí. Si quiere usted, si no, pues nomás.
Claro. Now right now we're only putting 3 isolation nets together because we got 9,000 fish, 3 tanks. We only need the 3. Later, this big huge tank will have 5 of the isolation nets in it, and it'll be able to manage 15,000 fry at a time. Sounds like you're getting a phone call. This tank we just took down and have some renovations to do to it, but these guys will be fine in this water for probably a week before it needs filtration or anything. So by the time it needs it, I'll have it all put together, have workers here working on the floating gardens as well. Look at that, a beautiful little fish. Looks like 4 or 5 dead in there, baby. Los muertos necesitamos sacar
Cuando
cuando...
floten.
Sí.
Listo, alcánceme otra.
Okay.
De esa de allá.
So we're gonna
Con el...
pull
¿dónde
this
es
one
el-
up. En verdad necesitamos ese otro cosa para que podamos poner los peces rápido. The problem with that is we didn't have access to the materials we needed for it. Otherwise we would already have these built.
No. Sorry.
Yo lo saco luego.
Por eso no quiero cortarlas, sino
Ujú.
que sacarlas completas para que no se me caigan al agua. Pero
Ok.
la verdad que son muy ajustadas y no sé.
So I think I'm gonna take over the task of releasing the fish and send my wife back to continue working on the other isolation net because we need to get these fish out of these bags pretty soon. Okay, so we're gonna terminate the video here,
Otra,
and I'm gonna go ahead and get to work. All right, bye bye now.
otra.